Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ways. Guys, today, you know, rumor. Rumors tell tales, everything. What if people have spread rumors about you? This is the advice on how to deal with the rumor, because of sometimes rumors can be really unpleasant because more vela shot about to street boy. How? Because that's the only thing left. This is far from the actual truth. Mara, it's the world we live in. So I'm gonna give you guys my advice and how I deal with the rumors in my life. Anyway, let's not waste time. Let's get straight to the video.
I see these kids lost, looking for the next wave. They need to sit down, listen to some Saint Wayne.
Now guys, not personally, wait guys, the rumor be interesting because now honestly now I'm getting to a point where I'm taking rumors as compliments, because people could talk about anything, like legit, I don't like anything, but they choose to talk about you. No, now what they saying might be false, because then I've heard rumors about me. Peter was better or Mamazala. It would have been more, it would have shown more class. At the same time, this is what I believe. First of all, the minute you hear a rumor, someone tells someone, someone runs to you and tells you, hey, I heard this about you. Now what I do is, first of all, I do nothing. Legit. That's the best thing you can do in that situation. You do nothing, you say nothing, unless the person who's telling you really wants to verify or edge. Is it true? Because sometimes these people can be sent by the initial person or edu. You cannot check and get out there. So, if someone says something bad about you, or let's say for example, it's a past relationship or something like that. Past relationship can be between your past partner, can be between you and someone who was once a friend. Sharp, you guys aren't together anymore. Now they come and they tell their side of the story, it comes to you. You have two choices. It's either you ignore it or you give your side of the story. Mara, here's the problem. Here's why I pick to do nothing or say nothing. Even though guys, I won't lie, this method is difficult. This method is difficult and it's not the easiest to do because it takes a lot of self-restraint. The story comes to you, you hear Mara, what's up? Why go on? But the minute you tell your side of the story and you discredit their story, this person will take this story, take it back. Same chain, same train, same everything. They go back. Now it becomes a war on words. Now something this small can become something big. Now you look like the better ex-partner or the better ex-friend. Oh no, it's not even worth it. Unless maybe some of you like drama and then back and forth. Because now I realized a very long time ago in my life, you can never stop the fire. Once the fire starts, the best thing to do is just to keep quiet. Because once you try to track back, like this route, if you track it back, no, it's not true. Even if the rumor went through, I'm not going to say a lot. It goes through 10 people. How are you going to make sure 10 people know you for you? Let's say people say, you sleep with blessers. How are you gonna go and tell 20 people that you know, and how are you gonna prove to them what even yes, it's false, it's not the truth, mama. What now? Because guys, it only takes let me show you something. Think about this. It doesn't take a lot for someone to have a view on you as not the relevant information. Like you can walk into a room, then someone on cellular or monamutu, 1, 2, 3. Like naturally the mind does not question what you say. I just take the piece of information and the image I see, nobody ever looks at someone like, no, but I don't think so. Then so Mara, it's like that. Let me give you guys a scenario. Now, Sharp, let's say you are a varsity student there, or Manyana, we are high. It was a family gathering, you have to go back to rest or to your flat or whatever. Then after that, I'll drop a maloma. Over the drop a maloma, fella, or drop a Bentley or Land Rover. After that, a couple of guys see you, maybe Baunyak. ba o nyaka rona ba o nyaka o ba blofile ba o bona di be o fulusa ke di BM le di Land Rover. After that, what happens? They have a thought, okay, so her nails are always done, her hair is always done. That time, those things are funded by your parents. Conclusion, so tomorrow when she tells someone else, bless. How about tracks? Your hair is nice, your nails are done. Conclusion, bless us. Now, you guys, you tend to take anything that people say, and I've gotten to a point in my life where I feel like it's actually a compliment for people to talk about you. Like you can hear, okay, sharp, this thing it's cool. And sometimes it's people you don't even know. What's a joke? What is it, man? Deborah. I don't know what Deborah in my life. Marashu Deborah Spirit is saying whatever she's saying about you. And sometimes, guys, don't forget, it's actually easy to take a piece of information and a picture. It's actually like putting shapes to shapes. Triangle, circle. If you look good and about a fellow or player, people are gonna believe it. If Omanyana upila or dese and about because you fit the bill. It's simple, it's not that hard. So Momojo, don't fight rumors, just take them as compliments, just change your mindset. Legit, change your mindset. Take it as a compliment. Because now I've heard rumors about me. Guys, like let's play fair. But at the same time, you think to yourself, like an example. Someone has told me before, and I want to take this home too, especially the people who know me. But I'm showing you, like, because you host events, I'm sure you have girls all around you about 20. And I'm like, girls talk on me. I work at the gate. Like, maybe gate. If the gate can be my strip pole is one thing. Let's have your mother. I'm healing. Hey, let's have Jolly Slay Queen Fair. Slay Queen, I can't afford Dubai. What? Thank you. First of all, now I don't know what's very complicated. Very complicated. Someone Dubai. Say, man, obviously in the future, Mara, right now, can you someone on Dubai? So, guys, I can say more, Mara. You know, I keep my channel clean and sisters. I don't like disclosing much about me and my life. Mara, anywho, guys, you need to understand how people are gonna say things about you. And at the end of the day, you're not gonna trace it, you're not gonna know where it comes from. Lord, even if you know about what's already sad, now what? I'm confront. If anything, you're probably, because first of all, when you fight rumor, but you keep quiet. Why did you miss? So you just leave it, and sometimes, guys, this method or technique is really difficult because it takes a lot of self-discipline. Because more, you know, the person that they portray, I do so much and I work so hard to not be this person. On top, because yes, bless, if you wanted to, you can have it in the next minute. But you do so much not to find yourself in that space, then but why accuse of the very same thing. But at the same time, guys, take it as a compliment, or people choose to talk about you, and that's the reality. Now, personally, that's how I take it, and I advise you guys to do the same, because you're never gonna track them down. If you went through 7 people, how the hell are you gonna find every single person? And if you are through 7 people, then that's 7 people. But you know what's that? 7 people in their lives. Now I 14, 28. So just have peace of mind. The next time when someone comes to you, I heard this about you and this, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate, because even when you meet people, already they have a certain perception about you. Yo, I thought you this, I thought you this. Now it's like, how come someone told you, I don't drink. Why yeah? I don't drink. No, you're lying. How do you host events but you don't drink? How? Because I don't drink. Kidding, I won't do it. Oh, shut up. So guys, you can't fight what people think about you, and at the end of the day, guys, just accept it. I've learned to accept it, even though I've heard like the worst things. But I always feel like, if you take it as a compliment to change and you turn it into a positive, well, okay, just look at the bright side. People now like away now. It's always I contact people, but it kind of makes things better. But anywho, guys, that's my advice. That's my 2 cents on the whole matter. It's not, rumors are not something you can just shut down. If we stop our more pumping in so just let it be. And if it's not sort of and if you mark, what can you do? So the best thing is to just sit and let the storm pass. Because they're gonna find a new topic tomorrow anyway. Especially if you mark, and if I want to entertain something. It's like Muto Alpha nickname. Or Mutor House can be Zabia. Come she will be Zabia. House can be Zabia. But I was never known I'm head. But anyway, guys, it's a beautiful day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, especially people that you know who there's always those friends who always have to go or send them this video. Send them a link. It's a beautiful day. Why are you smiling?
I see these kids lost, looking for the next wave. They need to sit down, listen to some Saint Wave.